Thank you, and I'm going to show you another problem. Let's say problem is create a bash file and add three and 9. All right. Okay, this might be difficult for you. File and type or print a text hello world and list all directories. Okay, this is the question. Okay, how to create a file? Touch, let's say file name file, or I use the file name test.sh. As it is bash file, we have to use sh extension. Press enter. This file created. Okay, so you see here is no execute permission, so you have to add chmod +x. Okay, now press enter. Now we see we have execute permission. Now we can execute and we would do this task. How to do it? Nano, the editor, and the file name. So we enter, and here echo, we type at first Shebang, right? This is Shebang, this part. Then bin and bash. For beginner, inside bin you will get the bash. Bin is the binary. Okay, execute. Now echo, we have to print hello world, right? Hello world. And another thing we have to print list all, correct? This is the question. Save it, Ctrl-O, enter, Ctrl-X. Now dot / file name, type it. You see it is printing hello world, and it is also printing what is we have in this direct path. So all printing that we have only one file, so it is printing one. If you type ls, that's all. So the question is create a bash file. Here file is created, and you have to change the file permission to run the bash file, execute, and then echo nano editor, and we are using echo to print, and we are also using command ls to print all the directories, right? Cat, this is the your code. Thank you very much.